Hey guys, it's Mona here at Klatch. Lately I've been feeling like doing some resin painting, so that is what we're going to do today. I've got my canvas up on some cups so it's nice and raised up. I've got about 8 ounces of resin and I'm going to separate it into individual cups. And I'm going to go for some bold colors. Now the first thing I'm actually going to do is I have a little bit of resin left in here, and I have this glass, it's like a vase filler. I'm going to put that in first, I think. And it's almost like little broken mirror pieces. And I am going to drip this along. Now I'm going to do a combination of, I do have pigment powders and glitters. So here's a purple. I'm going to put some pigment powder into there. I'm going to add a little bit of purple chunky glitter in with it. We'll see how well that works. Let's see if we completely lose it or not. And I'm going to run this along the edge of that. Now I'm going to do something very similar with this yellow and gold pigment powder and glitter. And we're going to do some green. Got all my resin on here, and now what I need to do is finish these ends. Like, we kind of ran out of stuff, and that's okay because there's plenty of resin that's actually dripping down the side already. And to finish these edges, I'm just going to scoop some of that up, put it right on the edges, wherever a color or anything might be missing. I'm going to be fairly random about it. Now I'm going to take my torch. I'm going to use my torch, pop the bubbles, and that's going to make some more blending happen as well. And it's going to make more dripping happen. So that's when you just scoop it up, put it right on the edge, and then you can also take a stir stick or anything you want to use. And if you want to help some stuff blend in together, you can do that. So I want there to be a little bit more blending, and I'm just going to run my stir stick through wherever I think it needs a little help. And you can even go over the mirrored pieces a little bit. So you'll want to just keep torching it every once in a while. Once you get it the way you want it, you need to let it sit a minimum of 12 hours before you even come back and touch it. Here's the finished piece. Looks really pretty. I'm up real close and you can see where the raised areas are with those broken mirrors. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you decide to make some artwork of your own that you could just hang on your wall to decorate your home. I hope you guys like the resin art. I like the way the glitter was pretty subtle in areas. I definitely like the broken mirror pieces. I think that turned out pretty cool. So I hope you guys give it a try, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.